See? So now we cover some things, right? And now we just cover Capleton. So we will cover the original Queen Bee, because Zippygan I tell you say him know what the original Queen Bee. I wanna know everybody around and say Beyonce a Queen Bee. But let's tell them about the original Queen Bee. Saying from Brownsville. Saying who was the wife of B.I.J. Saying and the Mafia clan. You never know. Now we call her Little Kim. Saying and I reserve that because I never want to say nothing about it. Because but the Queen Bee thing I want clear it up still that Little Kim are the original Queen Bee. Before she was Little Kim, a Queen Bee she name. And a Queen Bee everybody call her. Zippygan and telling you that. See? So big up the Queen Bee, the original Queen Bee. Seeing cause Zippygan was also instrumental in her first tune. Seeing? Getting played on the radio upon Kiss FM. And them go down at Kiss FM, she and her crew, Mafia. And them go up there and threaten them and tell them so they have to play our first record. You know? And I listen to the radio because she said them tell them say in 15 minutes them are going to play it. I think it was Red Alert. I remember, yeah, it could have been Red Alert. And them play our tune for the first time on my car and tell her, say, yeah man, them play it. Saying, and then after the tune start play, you know, she get calls and booking for go LA go perform, right? And the rest been history. After she go at LA go do her first show. Well, first her first show, she tell me them do a show at one school in a Brownsville there, and them then make up the stage off of the teacher, them table and you know. And then a little thing that go on and I like police come and stop the show. And then she go get bigger stage in LA. Big up yourself, Queen Bee, the original Queen Bee called Little Kim. And her career just shot. Yeah, and she run the place for a while as the top female rapper, female hip hop artist. You know, remember saying Zippygan can tell you that because Zippygan was instrumental there. For real. Zippygan are telling you this, right? There was a time when we have an empress named Sister Kofani, right? She used to be in the realist on the reggae dancehall entertainment circuit, you know. And then she did have a little talent variety show in the city at a place called Wetlands. I don't know who remember Wetlands, right? It was a venue. You know, see it? And she called and I be the MC. And I was the resident MC and Shined was the resident artist. So Shined used to work with our Uncle Shines, saying? Our Papa Shines. Our Daddy Shines. Used to work with her, and Daddy Shines used to kind of get talents and things for forward, saying to the Wetlands talent show with Sister Kofani. Yeah man, and as a resident host, a whole heap of people pass through and get, you know, and get shoe there and send a road. But the ones I want to talk about now is because it's variety, it varies from reggae artists and reggae DJ, and I want a lot of people know. I mean, no Uncle Shine will confirm this because he is a righteous artist. Yeah man, the big rap group named Rage Against the Machine, them come mash up the place. But their debut or first push out to the world was at Wetlands, right? Uncle Shine, Daddy Shines bring them in as young group, right? I think they had a bass player, guitar player that was from Great Neck, Long Island. They used to play and rehearse in them garage, you know, and they come and they get invited to Wetlands, and them come and them say, yeah, it's the first time them go up on a big stage before an audience, them rehearsing in them garage, baby. And you remember, was one of the biggest rock group in America, Rage Against the Machine, go look it up. Right at Wetlands, Zippygan, Shined, and Sister Kufani. And we push them out the street, right? And like a week after them, I guess, you know, white audience start coming and they feel comfortable. The next week, it was a white band named Skadanks. Them do ska. See, and them said the same thing. They were so nervous and think they were like shy and afraid to go up on stage when them see the audience, right? Right now, Skadanks are the biggest ska band, and them a keep Jamaican ska genre going. Saying, so Zippygan, Daddy Shines, and Sister Kufani are responsible for shoot them and push them out the street. So last year I know we're not capping, you can't ask Daddy Shine. And there are other, I can't recall all of them right now. Yeah. But a real story that we're telling you. Rage Against the Machine and Skadanks. Zippygan, Daddy Shine, and Sister Kufani responsible for that. Send them a road and them still big. Them just perform up in the Hamptons with Third World the other day. Remember we telling you the show we did MC with Third World, Maxi Priest and Manifest, right? Manifest was a trio, right? Saying, big up yourself, bigger Keith and listen man, and Eugene was a wicked. You ever hear them do some D Brown show, man? Saying, so big up on yourself, Manifest.